Hello everyone. Now let's talk about introduction of history in today's lecture. Basically, we are going to take reference of the book History of British India, written by James Mill. He was a Scottish historian, political theorist, commentators, and critics. In his book History of British India, he divided primarily Indian history into the three periods, that is Hindu period, Muslim period, and British period. And this division was totally based on colonial interest, because at that time this book was widely accepted. But later, historian divides Indian history or history in general in three parts, and they are ancient history, modern history, medieval history, and modern history. So now we are going to define each parts of this general division of history according to their time periods. So ancient history starts from advent of man till 712 AD, and medieval history defined as from 712 AD to 1700 obliques 1757 AD. Basically, medieval history started with arrival of Muhammad bin Qasim, and the next division of history is modern history, and that start with 1757, that is Battle of Plassey, to 1947, at the time of India got independence, and this time period known as modern history. After 1947 to 1984, we call this time period India after independence, and the world history, so on. But actually, history division of this kind is not actually the real division. We divide history for our convenience of reading or writing, but actual division of history was based on writing and script, and according to writing and script, history divided into the three parts, that is prehistoric, protohistoric, and historic period. Basically, this is the real division of history if I shall talk about this. Previously, ancient history, medieval history, and modern history, this division was not the actual division, but we read it just for our convenience. But the actual division of the history could be learned with prehistoric, protohistoric, and historic period. And this division was totally based on script and writing. So just I am going to give you the hint about this division. In prehistoric period, the example of this period is Stone Age and Chalcolithic Age. तो जब हम दो एज के बारे में बात करते हैं Stone Age and Chalcolithic Age. This is an example of prehistoric period and ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में भी आ चुका है. And example of protohistoric period is IVC, Indus Valley Civilization, and Vedic Age. तो Vedic Age और Indus Valley Civilization is example of protohistoric period. And rest, whatever topic we study in history, it comes under historic period. चाहे आप इसको मौर्य काल बोल लीजिए, मुगल काल बोल लीजिए, एनी डायनेस्टीज के बारे में बोल लीजिए, एनीथिंग वट एवर वी लर्न इन हिस्ट्री कम्स अंडर हिस्टोरिक पीरियड एक्सेप्ट स्टोन एज, Chalcolithic age, that is the example of prehistoric period, and IVC, Indus Valley Civilization, and Vedic age, that is the examples of protohistoric period. And rest all the topics which comes under history is example of historic period. So this was the general introduction of history in today's video. In next video I shall explain about this actual division of history based on script and writing, that is prehistoric, protohistoric and historic period in the next video.